your memory like 21st century. I'm fucking cruising up your block, hip until I have to hop out of my car. I grab my fat flows to show you how the craft goes. Is that so? A fat bro, bomb until the sun shows. My drunk flows, hunt snow with skunk bros. Fuck shows, I'm in the streets with the beats. All my mates pushing drugs, fuck you cunts. We're the ones cooking up another fat track. Be your critical rap cats to have a fucking say. Here's the day I eat my prey, no delay with the sleigh. Keep it up. Now what the fuck's up? Beating up, bitch. You know you fucked up, so keep them coming, because we're ready for more. I said it before, you better be sure I settle the score. A beats pump, son, till your ear goes bung. 2-1-C drunk cunts and I'm out.
We roll right up to the joint, crewed up to prove a point. It's 2-1-C is causing noise, flipping rough with all the boys. We roll straight up to their joint, crank up and prove the point. Rock strong and causing noise, ripped it hard with all the boys. We roll right up to their joint, crewed up to prove a point. 2-1-C is causing noise, ripping rough with all the boys. We roll straight up to their joint, crank up and prove the point. Rock strong and causing noise, ripped it hard with all the boys.
And I'm out, when I'm out, I go back in and start smacking faggots. For saying I was racking packets of chips when I was just jacking the dips. You know my jacket's a grip, filled with spike bats, ratchets with grip. Your chicken shit like the chips I stole, let it be told. And the rhymes that I spit are gold, let it unfold. We the old school, teaching you fucks, thinking you suck while you're listening, thinking we're nuts. We're funny fucks with the pre-written. Shut up now, keep sitting down while I'm spinning around, tripping, seeing fucking visions. Listen, we just straight up dismiss them. Straight up, they just come up missing. Realising it wasn't worth it, should be exercising your vocals, fucking with the 2-1 locals.
B, G, G, G.